Well, hello everybody. My name is Tyler from Tarver Academy, and I don't know, I'm talking like that. I'm going to show you a couple of the basics with regards to formulas in Google Docs. So I've generated a bunch of highly specific and very well thought out numbers I made up randomly on the fly, and I'm going to show you how we can use this to use formulas with it. So let's start here. Okay, so let's just start with basic formulas. So I'm going to take these three numbers here. Let's say I want to use those three, and then I want to get some sort of answer right here. Okay, so we'll start with addition. We'll add these together. So what you do is if you look over to the right, usually it'll be up here in the bar, but I've kind of made this thing larger. But you see this weird looking E? You're going to click that, and it's going to give you your basic stuff. So you've got sum, average, count, maximum, minimum. Okay, so let's just say we want to add these together. I'm going to hit sum. So what it's going to do, look, see, it's creating that sum. Here's the formula bar right here, but then it's going to put it right there. It's automatically going to put it to the right of those that I selected. So I just hit the enter button, and it's going to add those together. Man, that's pretty, isn't it? Isn't that nice? Let's make that green. Okay, so it's added those together. Now, there's another way I could have done that. I could just select the box where I want my final answer to go, and then I do the same thing. Click here, click sum, and now it wants the values. So what you do is you go select it, and you drag and select, and it's going to create it for you. Hit enter, boom. Oh, wow, I made those. Wow, that's fate, 13, 13. Okay, so let's say I want to do that for all these, but I don't want to like select and then hit it, select and then hit that. So what I can do is I can just select my answer box here. See the little box on the bottom right of that rectangle? I can drag it down. It's going to automatically do the formulas across for here. So when you do that, it's just going to repeat that formula. Make these green to differentiate. Now, I did that vertically. I can also do stuff horizontally. So let's say I wanted to find the average of all of these numbers. Do the same thing I did there. I'm going to hit average, boom. It's going to explain what average is. I don't need that. I taught math. I got YouTube vids. Check me out. But it's going to make this 8.5 is now the average. Say it's now. It's been the average, but now it shows it of all these. Same thing here. I can drag it across, so it's going to find the average of that and the average of that. So I'm going to go boom. Now, I can always look and see up here in the function bar. You see how it's empty right there? See how it's empty right there? I can click on any of these, and it shows me. I'm finding the average of C1. That would be the 6, all the way through C8. C8. That's really the basics of formulas and functions in there. You know, anytime you want to make a cell something, you see how it's blank up here? I can start with the equal sign. That's a plus sign. I start with the equal sign, and then I can start doing whatever I want. See, it's going to give us suggestions. You want to find the sum of A9. Like Google wants to make this easier on you, so it's like, you know, let's do that. Boom. Now I've added up. Its assumption was I wanted to add all these up and get the sum. I did. That's once these added together is 174. Because Google loves you and it wants your life to be easier. So that's the basics. Hope you learned something. This is Tyler, Tarver Academy, and never stop learning. Peace.
Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my training video. If that helped at all, please subscribe to this channel. It's free, costs nothing. Just click the little red subscribe button unless they change the color. Hey, also, if you want me to come to your school and help train your teachers or your administrators or your students and help make your life easier with Google, just let me know. I've got links in the bio on how to get a hold of me. DM me at Tyler Tarver on Instagram or Twitter. You can go hit my email, tylertarver@gmail.com, or you can just yell really loud. Maybe I'm close. Oh, I thought I heard somebody. You want me to come train you on Google? No? Okay. It'll be fun. We'll learn a lot. And I'll give you a bunch of resources. So, thank you guys. Hey, did you subscribe? We talked about it earlier. No pressure. But if you want to, I'll be here. Just gonna wait right here. Look at this lighting. Oh, wow.